Ready to transform your English speaking skills from hesitant to fluent? Today, we are diving into the world of shadowing, the ultimate secret weapon used by language pros. By practicing shadowing, you aren't just listening, you're training your brain and your voice move in with native speakers. It is the fastest way to sharpen your pronunciation, master natural rhythm, and lock those daily use sentences into your long-term memory without hours of boring memorization. If you want to sound more natural and feel more confident every time you open your mouth to speak, stay tuned. This practice session is exactly what you need. They are having lunch. I have known him for a long time. We have lived here for 10 years. He has been sleeping for 5 hours. The light went out while I was reading. When I saw him, he was playing chess. It is raining. I will take an umbrella. Have you decided what to do? Let's get into the train. It's about to leave. We are eating out tonight. Everybody wishes to enjoy life. Reading is his favourite pastime. It may rain tomorrow. May success attend you. I thought he might be at home. I will carry your books. Will you have tea? You must improve your pronunciation. I don't need to meet him. I look down from my window. We eat 3 times a day. Birds fly in the air. A light rain fell last night. You speak too loudly. The dog ran after me. Please look into the matter carefully. I can't wait a moment longer. The watch cost $900. He broke the glass. Open all the windows. The baby sleeps. The man seems tired. His parents named him Harry. The win is cold. The results are out. He tried again and again. Nothing will be gained by hurry. It has been raining all night. He drinks tea every morning. The boys are playing football. I am going to cinema tonight. I think you are wrong. Which way shall we go? What time is it? He comes here every day. I have not seen him for several days. He was absent last week. Some dreams are like reality. Mind your own business. What an idea. What a blessing. Make less noise. I will buy some mangoes. Will you have some ice cream? Did you buy some clothes? A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. He can play the flute. A word to the wise is sufficient. Sugar is bad for you teeth. Honesty is the best policy. Children like chocolate. Dinner is ready. I had a late lunch today. We are studying English. I learnt French at school. I have not seen him since he was a child. We started late in afternoon. I have a Blake and a white dog. This book is mine. That idea of yours is excellent. It is easy to find fault. I will do it myself. I wash myself when I get up. I remember the day that he came. Give careful heed to what I say. Here are the books which I found. I have found the book which I lost. I asked who was speaking. Tell me what you have done. Who is knocking at the door? Which book are you reading? I have learnt my lesson. The watch has been found. He ran a long distance. His father gave him a watch. He told me a secret. He spoke the truth. I feel a severe pain in my head. How do you feel? Do not forget his name. I enjoy myself sitting alone. The sun shines brightly. Put away your books. I think that you have made a mistake. The sun shines brightly. The boy is fond of music. Let us move on. I will watch while you sleep. The crowd was very big. Always speak the truth. We all love honesty. He gave me a bunch of grapes. Never tell a lie. I don't like that boy. There is little time for preparation. The lazy boy was punished. He is an honest man. I ate some rice. He has little intelligence. You have no sense. Take great care of your health. I have taught you many things. I hate such things. We should not make jokes in the class. He delivered a speech in the function. He delivered a lecture. Please look at my book. He took the examination and failed. He got admission in the college. He refused to do work. He hung the picture. He lay in bed. We beat or defeated the enemy. The hen has laid an egg. The young boy drowned into the sea. The husband and wife do not get on well together. He failed in English. They scored a goal. There is pain in my tooth. He has a family to work for. He failed in mathematics. What kind of pen is it? I read the leader. The Paradise Lost was written by Milton. He killed a snake. Virtue has its own reward. A girl was reading near a park. She seems to be a European. I gave him the pen he wanted. Honesty is the best policy. My brother is an M.A. Have you seen a one-eyed man? She knows French and English. God made the earth and the sky. The Nile is the longest river. Gold is a precious metal. The sun sets in the west. My favourite flower is the rose. New York is a big city. Man is a member of society. How long will you stay? He lies in bed. I will go at once. He is a bright boy. I suspect he is wrong. I expected to see you. Will you visit your family? That is a pretty dress. That is uncommonly fine. He is well bred. What makes you look so happy? For whom are you looking? Do not blame me. There was nobody there but me. I like that the best of all. He invested his money in stocks. That bill is paid. What is your proposal? Are you well? I intend to pay a visit there. You had better leave by the night train. I saw him jump over the wall. I bade him post the letter. She knows how to cook. What makes you laugh? Stop writing. While I was walking on the road, my stick fell down. He is rich enough to help you. Let him do it. You are right in thinking so. My father prevented me from going. I request the favour of your granting me 3 days' leave. I request you kindly to grant me leave. While playing hockey, I sprained my foot. He did not approve of my studying further. It being very hot, I did not go out. He had better pay his school dues. You need not come to me. This water is good to drink. He sent me 13 books. He bought 24 eggs. I gave a 10 rupee note to the beggar. Do not make friends with bad boys. She has a 50 rupee note. I weigh above 10 stone. 3 litres of milk a day is enough for you. 5 miles is a long distance. 100 paisa is equal to a rupee. 20,000 rupees is a large sum. The news is true. They are his sons-in-law. I have much work to do. He has a pair of scissors. I am yours obediently. He is the tallest boy in the class. Who is in the room? It is I. My pen is more expensive than yours. I am yours faithfully. Between you and me, neither has come. Neither of them was present. Whom do you want to see? Let us take leave of him. It is I who am to blame. 4 men were fighting with one another. These books are for you and her. You, he and I will help affected people. Any of these boys has stolen my pen. One must do one's duty. Anyone can do it if he tries. Only one of the boys was present. He is older than I. He is one of the teachers who have served the nation. I must take leave of you. There was no one but me. It is the best house. My father gave me a penholder. My brother lives in a boarding house. He is junior to you. He is senior to me. He bought a blotting paper. The fort is a building worth seeing. He is the taller of the 2 boys. Harry is my elder brother. It is very fine today. Each of us has a book. I worked the whole night. The members of my family are not at home. The climate of Washington is hotter than that of New York. The rich should not hate the needy. I have no money to give you. There are a few books on the table. She put a little milk in the jug. What is the latest news? He has much wealth. Iqbal is greater than any other poet. All my books were on the table. I am very sorry. I shall not be able to do this sum. Thanks for watching.